ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Only few more lines are there. We'll complete 256. You can remember the Shatranta of all the lingas. Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsakalinga. So here Napumsakalinga is there, the word Gayat. So the Mandire dash Gayat Purushasya Namaha Sudakaraha. So how do you say this? How to convert this into a Mandire Gayat Purushasya Nama Sudakaraha. Okay. Sorry, not Napumsakalinga, you're Pullinga only, because Purushasya, the word is mistake, I said Gaya. Napumsakalinga, it is not Napumsakalinga, Pullinga. Therefore, that becomes Gayataha. Gayataha Purushasya Nama Sudakaraha. Simple one, it is. We don't have any karmani. Then Shlokam Patat Balake Aneke Sadgunaha Santi. Shlokam
सप्तमी
Shlokam Patati Balake Aneke Sadgunaha Santi. Aneke also Eke, na Eke, Aneke. It's a nunch compound. Mata Udgachat Kshire Jalam Yojitavati. Udgachat Kshire Jalam Yojitavati. Udgachat Kshire. Oh. Udgachat is Udgachati.
Boiling.
Boiling. Up. Udgachati means goes up. What goes up? Only when water is boiled, it goes up, right? Rises up. So Udgachata. Kshire is Napumsakalinga. Kshiram, Kshire, Kshirani. Therefore, Udgachati. Udgachati, Kshire, Yojitavati. Yojitavati, what pratyaya? You know.
Nishta.
Yuj plus, Nich plus, Tavatu. Yojitavati. Yuj plus Nich will become Yoji. Yoji plus Tavatu. It is Setar and it dhatu. Yuji plus nich is anekach. Anekach has to be set alone.
Aneka set.
Therefore, itagama comes. And nich also e is that will, what will happen to that? That will go away. Therefore, yoji. Yoji tavat. And Srilinga. Mata is that, therefore, yoji tavat plus ni pratyaya yoji tavati. Okay. What will be karmani? Okay, karmani can be done here because yoji tavati is there.
Matra yojita.
Matra yoji tam.
Yojitam. Kshire.
Jalam yojitam. Udgachati kshire, that will be udgachati kshire.
It remains the same.
Same. Matra jalam yojitam. Right? Okay. So this is karmani. Then vegena pravahat nadyam minaha taranti. Nadyam. Nadyam is
Saptami.
Nadyam. Nadyoho. Nadishu. Nadyam is not Dvitiya. Saptami is. Vegena.
Pravahati nadyam.
Pravahantyam nadyam. Nadi is pravahati. Pravahanti. Num is a must. So pravahantyam nadyam minaha taranti. Right? Vegena is tritiya bhakti by it is prakrityadibhya upasankyanam sutram is by that tritiya. How does flow? Vegena. Okay. Fine, that remains as it is. Now, karmani would be taranti. Ke taranti minaha. Minaihi.
Kshire.
Tiryate. Dhatu is tru dhatu. You have seen tru plus yat plus te. This is latlakara only. Tru will be replaced by rutaha dhatu will be replaced by tir. Then repa followed by consonant and this e will become dirgha. Tir plus ya plus te. Tiryate. Tiryate. Tiryante. Minaihi tiryate. Tiryate. Vegena pravaganta nadyam. That remains as it is. Right? So that, let's see, then Maya Suraha Vivaswantam Aradayat Suduscharam Tapaha Atapata. The name of the person. Vivaswan. Who is Vivaswantam? Vivaswan Manave Praha.
Surya.
Vivaswan Manave Praha. Manurikshava Bravid. So the same Vivaswantam Suryaha. Mayasuraha, he does Aradhana of the, he did Aradhana. Suduscharam, Tapaha also, he does Tapa, which is difficult. So, very difficult. So, do, both are the. Now, we have to join this. Join a sentence into one. Tapaha. Tapaha is what vibhakti? Tapaha tapasi, tapamsi. Tapaha tapasi, tapamsi. Kaha atapat mayasuraha. Kim atapat tapaha atapat. He did tapas. Tapaha is karma. Mayasuraha is the karta. That is qualified by further Maya Vivaswantam
Aradhayan.
Aradayan. Yes. Aradayate is langlakara. So, apurvaka rad dhatu. Shatranta will be Aradayan. Vivaswantam Aradayan. Aradayan, Aradayanto, Aradayantaha. Right? Rad dhatu plus nich, I think becomes Radhi, Radhe, Radhaya, Radhayatu. There's a dhatu, Rad dhatu. An apurvaka rad dhatu. Apurvaka Rad Dhatu will become, that is, Rad Dhatu, Sad Dhatu, all these are there. Which conjugation? Sadhnoti, Sadhnutaha, Sadhnvanti. You can guess which conjugations Rad also must be. Huh?
Fifth.
Sixth conjugation. No.
5.
Yeah,
Five.
five. Yes. Fifth conjugation. Yes. Radhanoti. Apurvaka Rad becomes Aradhana. So, Rad plus Vijanta, Radhi.
Radhi.
Then becomes Radhe, Radhaya, Radhayat. So, Shatranta form is Radhayat. So, Nijanta is Radhi. Then Vijanta is Radhayati, Radhayata, Radhayanti. That's what is given. Aradhayat. Lang Lakara. Apurvaka Radhatu, Nijanta Rupam of Radhatu, Apurvaka Radhatu, Lang Rupam. So now Aradhayan, this is Shatranta Rupam. Vivasvantam Aradhayan Mayasuraha Tapaha Tapat. Sudhushcharam, that also qualifies Tapaha. Kidrishaha, Kidrisham Tapaha. Sudhushcharam Tapaha.
Sudhushcharam.
Now, Karmani would be Atapat. Okay, very interesting. Atapat is equal to
Taptavan.
Taptavan. Good. Taptavan, Taptavanto, Taptavantaha. Tavat. Kartari. Mayasuraha Taptavan. Then Karmani now we can do.
Maya Surena Taptam.
Mayasurena. Tapaha is na Pratama Vibhakti.
Tapaha.
And Atapata will become, this year become Taptam. Yes, that's correct. And Atapata will become Atapyata. So Tapo Tapyata. Tapas Tapta. Tapaha Atapyata. Upanishad uses, but here it is Atapyata. Tapaha Atapyata. Mayasura. Sudhushcharam Tapaha, that is Sudhushcharam only. Other things will remain as it is. So Tapaha Taptam. Right? Okay. Suryaha Bhuvanani Vibhayat. Shine. I mean, make it Bada to Nijanta Rupam. Ba, therefore Yuk Agama comes. Something Bada to special Dhatu Yuk. Bhayati. Bhayati or Bhayayati? I think that must be a typo, I think. Because Vibhavayati Badatu Bhayayati Bhadiptau. Dhatu. Nijanta Rupam will be either Bhapayati or Bhayayati. Or Vipurvaka Vibhavayati. Suryaha Bhuvanani. Vibhavayati could be proper, I think. Either it should be Bhapayati or Suryaha Bhuvanani Vibhavayati. Vibhavayati could be better. Change it. Suryaha, because of Surya only these beings are there. Right? To get the status of being existing. Otherwise, where is Bhuvanani? As in Vasudham, Vasudha is Paryeti. Vasudham Paryeti. Paryeti means Paripurvaka Indatoho Latrupam. Paryeti. Paryeti. Paripurvaka Inda. In Gatau, yes. Vasudham Paryeti. Suryaha Bhuvanani Vibhavayati and Vasudham Paryeti. Vasudham Paryeti means they gain, they attain. They attain what? Vasudham means they attain, you can say, the Vasudha is Prithvi. That is one meaning. But they attain the
And it means
status.
prosperity.
Yeah, Vasudha is prosperity. It means living beings prosper. Suryaha bhavanani vibhavayati, therefore bhavanas prosper. They gain prosper. Prosper means beings flourish. Living beings flourish. Otherwise, how possible, right? Now we have to join this. So Suryaha bhavanani vibhavayati. And
Vibhavayan
Vasudam,
Suryaha Bhu.
yes. So bhavanani vibhavayan Suryaha.
Suryaha
Vasudam. Now, Vasudam Pariyeti cannot be meaning. It can be
Bhuvanani Vasudham Pariyeti.
Bhuvanani Vibhavayan Suryena Vasudam Pariyeti.
Pariyeti.
To some mistake is there, or we have to change the sentence itself. Okay.
Can it become Suryat?
Suryena, yeah, something like that. Bhuvanani, no, Bhuvanani. Okay, Bhuvana, I will write here. Bhuvanam Vasudani Pariyeti. Vasudam Pariyeti, that is Bhuvana gets, you have to understand, Bhuvana, Bhuvanani, all these Bhuvanas, the Jagat Loka, they prosper. So we cannot just take like they don't, it will not make sense. So Bhuvanani Vibhavayan Suryaha. Vasudam Pariyeti is not correct. Therefore, Suryena, make it as Suryena. Suryena. So Bhuvanani,
Vibhavayata.
I'll make like this. Bhuvanani Vasudham Paripurvaka Yeti Yataha Yanti. So the make Pari plus Yanti. Pari plus Yanti Pariyanti. So Vasudham Pariyanti. Bhuvanani Vasudham Pariyanti. So on Bhuvanani is Suryena Vibhavayata Suryena.
Suryena.
This makes sense. Please read this. Because this doesn't connect with the karta of here. All the sentences so far connecting with the karta, but does not connect with the karta. Here, Pariyeti is Bhuvanam, but make it Bhuvachanam, Pariyanti. Therefore, Bhuvanani Pariyanti. Pariyeti is Paripurvaka Yeti in Gato Dhatu. Second conjugation. Then E plus Parye, Pariyeti. Vivavayata Suryena Bhuvanani Vasudani Pariyanti. This is correct. Should be like this. Bhuvanani, they flourish because of the Surya, which is because of Vivavayata Suryena. Right. Okay. Shanaishcharaha Magatya Kakshaya Gachati Swalpam Bhaganan Bhunkte. Okay. Shanaishcharaha Mahata Kakshaya Gachati, meaning Mahata Kakshaya Gachati. And also Mahata Kakshaya. Mahata Kakshaya meaning
big part of
Magatya Kakshaya Gachati Swalpam Bhaganan Bhunkte. So Kaksha has got many
Shaneshwara is Saturn.
Yeah, Shani.
Shani has a big path of revolution or whatever.
That's why we have to take it. Kakshaya. It takes a big, round. Agata Kakshaya Gachati.
Dakshina Patha.
So that's how we have to take it. Bhagata Kakshaya Gachati. Then the word Kaksha has got many meanings.
Mm.
So kaksha also means circumference, perimeter. So it has its orbit. That's also called a kaksha. Kaksha is also called orbit. So kakshaya, therefore it must be Strilinga. Kakshaya gachati. It travels a bigger orbit, longer orbit, right? And swalpam baganan bhungte. Bhungte is bujudhatu. It therefore it takes swalpam bagana. Swalpam baganan bhungte. So baganan is define swalpam baganan bhungte. I don't know from where I took this. Swalpam baganan bhungte. Let me find out what it is. Bagana. What is bagana? Swalpam baganan bhungte. What is the meaning of bagana in Hindi? I think it must be a Hindi word. I think it's given just a Hindi dictionary, okay? Because I don't see in Sanskritam that. Swalpam baganan bhungte means it is one round. It travels less distance. Bagana meaning grahon ka ek chakkar. That's what is given. Is Hindi meaning. So it's a language of Jyotisha. Okay. It's Jyotisha language. It's called Bagana. So therefore, in the Khagala Vijnanam, it is given. Of course, it's nothing to do with Jyotisha or astronomy. Bagana.
Could you please repeat it? What ek chakkar?
ग्रहों का एक चक्कर गगन का अर्थ है ये शब्द ज्योतिष और खगोल विज्ञान में प्रयोग होता है जहां इसका मतलब है किसी ग्रह का आकाश में 360 डिग्री का एक चक्कर पूरा करना है सो बगना में भी एंगल और वॉट एवर इट इज ओके सो समथिंग इट ट्रेवल्स लेस स्लोली फाइन that's what it Bagana. It's a Jyotisha, the language, Bhugola language it is. Kagola language, Kagola Vijnana it is. So Bagana is Graham ka ek chakkar. Chakkar meaning chakra, right? One full round. So it travels less. The traveling is given as some like consumption, bhungte. I mean, it travels less distance. I think that must be the meaning. Because its orbit is bigger one, therefore it travels less distance. That is why it moves from one house to other house. Mandam gachati, that is why mandaha. That's why Sadhi Sati 7.5, 2.5 before, 2.5 in the house, and 2.5 after that. Slowly. Okay. Anyway, now let us. Therefore, Shanaishcharaha Swalpam Bhaganan Bhungte. Then the Shanaishcharaha Magat. That's it. Oh, that's what is required for us. Agatya Kakshaya Gachan Shanaishcharaha Swalpam Bhaganan Bhungte. It's interesting to do Karmani here. So, Karmani would be Bhungte Bujdhatu. Bujdhatu Karmani. Bujyate. Swalpam Bujyante. Swalpam becomes Swalpaha. Swalpam is Swalpam only. It's can take it as a indeclinable. Shanishcharaha becomes Shanishcharena.
Shanishvarena. Gachata.
Shanishcharena. It is Shanishchara, not like
Shanishcharena.
Ishvara. Shanaihi charati iti Shanishcharaha. That which Shanaihi charati. It goes slowly. That is why it is called Shanishchara. Magatya kakshaya gachata Shanishcharena. Swalpam bhaganaha bhujyante. Okay. Then Kshiti jat urdhvam paritaha adityam is wrong. Adityaha it should be.
Aditya.
Dev copied from something. Devaha uttaragole pashyanti. Okay. Then this also sentence have to be formed properly. Then only meaning will become clear. Kshitijat means from the Kshitija, from the Prithvi. Kshitijat urdhvam paritaha. Ad urdhvam paritaha above Adityaha brahmati. Devaha uttaragole pashyanti.
Devaha Adityam Uttaragole Pashyanti.
Yes, exactly. Devaha Adityam pashyati. Adityam uttaragole Adityam pashyati. That Adityam now qualified by Brahma become Brahmantam. Brahmantam. All these other words just as it is. Devaha uttaragole Kshitijat urdhvam paritaha brahmantam Adityam pashyanti. That should be the meaning. Okay, anyway, leave it. Because the sentence is not, both are not karta. Change, that is why the sentence is a little confusing or tricky. This is simple. Vruddhaha udyane brahmati, vruddhaha asati. So vruddhaha asati, udyane asati, simple one. Then karmani would be udyane
Pramata Vruddhena Hasyate.
asyate. So here it is bhave prayoga it is. That is karma. Pramata avruddhena, if you make it asitam, it will be. You do it past tense. Asitam. Chatra kridanganam gachati. Okay, all these are simple. You can do it quickly. Kridanganam chatra kridanganam gachati sa gayati. Chatra gayati. Kridanganam what? Gachanti nadi, right?
Gachanti.
Kridanganam gachanti chatra gayati. Karmani is karmani you want, simple karmani also. Chatra becomes
Chatraya Giyate.
giyate. And gachanti become gachantya. Mitram prayogashalam gachati saha mam avadat. So mitram mam avadat. What?
Prayogshalam Gachan Mitram Mam Avadat.
Yes. Mitram mam avadat. Avadat, you told mitram avadat. Karmani would be prayogashalam gachata.
Mitrena.
Mitrena. Mam will become
Aham.
aham, then
Uttam.
langlakara. Huh? Not avadam. I told is aham avadam. I am told. I was told. So therefore, avadyata. Avadyata. No. Also, atagama vadadatu plus yak plus ta. Not avadyata. Yak because of yak.
Avadyata.
Samprasaranam will happen.
Uchyata.
The samprasaranam will happen. Therefore, udyata. Udyata. And it is a plus u
Yeah.
A plus U. A plus U, what will happen?
Vriddhi.
Very good. Atascha vriddhi. In fact, it is not a, because dhatu undergoes samprasanam. Therefore, it is ajadi dhatu. Therefore, it is no more a. It is a. Audyata.
Audyata.
That is the right form. Dhatu undergoing samprasanam. Haladi dhatu becomes ajadi. Therefore, what happens? Therefore, that is not attagama. It will get art agama. Understand? The upasarga, sorry, with the in this when it becomes, it gets art agama, right? Audyata, that's the correct form. It's good. It's good that you remember artascha vriddhihi. One is art agama, you have to remember. Second thing is vriddhihi. Audyata. It's good one. Next one. So, okay, this is Audyata. Karmani, fine. Karmani done. Chatraha patati shikshakaha tam pruchati. So, Chatraha,
Antam chatram shikshakah pruchati.
yes. So, can remove this. Shikshakaha pruchati. So, patantam and chatram pruchati. Karmani would be simple.
Shikshakena patan
Pruchate.
chatrah.
Nattam will happen or not? Shikshakena.
Shikshakena.
Murdanya or the dantya?
Urdhanya.
Murdanya. Chatraha, patan chatraha
Patan
pruchate.
chatrah pruchate.
Nrityanganaha nrityanti. Nirdeshaha tam nirdeshati. Director. So nirdeshaha tam kam
Nrityangana.
Nrityanganaha nrityanti. Nrityanganaha is Srilinga. So nrityan, what will happen? Nrityanganam. Ganaha is Nrityanganaha. Ramarame Ramaha, which is karma. Nirdeshakaha nritya, not nritya, it's a typo. Nrityanganaha. Anyway, we read it as a nritya only. Nrityanganaha. Is there any word Nrityanganaha? I don't think so. It must be Nrityanganaha.
Nrityangana.
Because there is no Nrityanga. Nrityangana. Nrityangana is Rama Shabdavatu. So Nrityanganaha, then Nrityantam will become Nrityanti. What is the Pratipadika?
Nrityan.
Nrityanti is a Pratipadika. Nrityanti, then
Nrityatah.
Nrityanti, Nrityanto, Nrityantyaha.
Nrityatah.
Nrityantyaha, Nrityanganaha, Nirdeshati, directs. Kaha, Nirdeshaka. Karmani would be Nirdeshakena.
Nirdeshaka. So Nrityangana is karma.
Nrityangana is karma, yes.
So Nrityantyaha is like Nadin. So Nadi Shabdavat.
Yeah. Nrityanti. Should be Nrityanti, yes. Here, not here. Here should be Nrityantihi, Nrityanganaha, Nirdeshati. That's correct. Nirdeshakena, Nirdeshyate. Now, here it will become, same thing only. Form is same. Akaranta Shabda. But here,
Nadyaha. Nrityantyaha.
here becomes Nrityantyaha. This is correct. Right? Nadi Nadyo Nadyaha. Nrityantyaha, Nrityanganaha. This karma. Now, this karmani prayaga, therefore Pratama. Rikshachakram Brahmati. Gola Vidwan Tam Pashyati. Rikshachakram. What is Rikshachakram? What is Riksha? Riksha is
Wolf.
Riksha is not wolf. One meaning is there. Bear. No, that is one meaning is there. Rikshachakram is lunar cycle, I think. I think so. That is Brahmati. Gola Vidwan Tam Pashyati. Right? So, Rikshachakram Brahmati. Gola Vidwan Tam Pashyati. So, Gola Vidwan.
Brahmantam Vrukshachakram Pashyati.
Yes, Brahmantam. Chakram is Napumsakalinga. Therefore, not Brahmantam.
Oh.
It will become Brahmat.
Brahman.
Brahmat Rikshachakram Pashyati. Gola Vidwan. So, Gola Vidwan. Vidwan is Vidwan, Vidvamsa, Vidvamsaha. Interesting. Now, Tritiya, sorry, Karmani would be? Vidwan will become Vidusha.
Vidusha.
We have not seen the Shabda. It will undergo some prasaranam. Vidwan, Vidvamsa, Vidvamsaha. Vidvamsa, Vidvamso,
Vidusha.
Vidushaha. Then Vidusha. Do you remember that Saravanamastana, Pratyayas, right? So from 2, 3 onwards, it is Asravanamastana Pratyaya. When Asravanamastana Pratyaya for Vididhatu, when it changes the Basanya, will undergo Samprasaranam. I will not tell in detail, but I'll tell you only this much. Vidvas is there, right? Actually, Vidvat is, it is Shatranta. Vididhatu, Shatra Pratyaya. The Shatra, what will happen, will be replaced by Shatra. Okay, Vididhatu, which conjugation? Yeah, that also. Shab comes, Shab becomes a look. Second, with the Jnane. So therefore, I'm writing therefore Vidya plus Shatra. Shatra will be replaced by Vasu. It's a rule. But Vasu is a Pratyaya, comes in the place of Shatra, playing the same role only. Vasu is now is a Pratyaya. Content is Vas. So you get Vidvas. That's a Shabda. The Vidvas is same like Patat. No difference. The one who knows. That's the meaning. Now Vidvas, when followed by Basanya, for example, if you take Ta itself, Tritiya only we are doing. Content is A. Ajadi, Asranavastana Pratyaya follows, therefore this will enjoy what Sanya? Asanya, right? Now here we'll undergo Samprasanam. Dakara, Bakara plus Akara plus S. Bakara will become what? Samprasaranam. Ukara. U plus U is Samprasaranam. Samprasaranam followed by A, both are replaced by U. Now you get U is there. And the Sakara is Pratyaya Sakara, preceded by U. That also will undergo Shatvam. Apadanta Sakara, preceded by inner Ku. That you must know that. So Vidush plus A, Vidusha. That's the Tritiya Vibhakti you have Vidusha, Samprasaranam happening. Not only Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam, all Basanya. If you take Vidvasa plus Shasa, that also. This will undergo Samprasaranam. Having undergone Samprasaranam, the form would be Vidush. Vidush plus content of this is As.
Yes.
Shakara plus As, Vidushas. Therefore, Vidushaha. Vidvan, Vidvamso, Vidvamsaha, Vidvamsam, Vidvamso.
Vidusha.
That's why Vidushaha. So, that's a rule. Vasehe Samprasaranam. Rule is there. Bhasangika, Vasanta, Pratipadikam. Bha means, of course, it's my Pratipadikam. What else? Bhasangikasya Angasya, Vasantasya, Samprasaranam Bhavati. Bhasanya means which we followed by Ajadi Pratyaya. Simple. That is why you get Vidushaha. Anyway, now here Gola Vidusha. Okay. Gola Vidusha. Pashyati becomes
Drishyate.
Drishyate. Now, Gola Vidusha, Kim Drishyate? Chakram. Chakram is Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. Again, Napumsakalinga, Brahmat only. Brahmat Chakram Drishyate, nothing happens, that same. Here, Brahmat Raksha Chakram Pratama, here Raksha Chakram Dvitiya. Okay. Now, next one. Bhaskaraha Bhasayati. Dhatu is Bhas Dhatu. Bhas Dhatu Bhasayati. Causary form. Otherwise, Bhati. Bhaskaraha cause to shine. What? Jagat. Therefore, Jagat Prakashyate. Jagat Prakashyate. Prakash. Jagat Prakashyate is Karmani. Prakashyate is a form. Suryaha shines, because of which earth is made to shine, caused to shine. Right?
So shouldn't it be Bhaskara Bhati?
No. Bhasayati is there. Bhaskara, then Jagat you have to fit in there. So Bhaskaraha, Jagat, the sentence is a little difficult. Bhaskaraha, I will say, Jagat Bhasayati. And no, we cannot use Prakashyate Karmani. Jagat shines. So we can say, make it Jagat Prakashate. Because Prakashate means I have to shanish. Shanish we have not seen. Bhaskaraha Bhasayati, therefore Jagat shines. Here also still we have problem. I will make this has to be Prakashate also, I will remove it. I will say Bhati. Jagat Bhati. Jagat shines. But not by itself. Because of Bhaskara. So now it is Bhaskaraha Jagat Bhasayati. Jagat is Dvitiya Bhakti Ekavachanam. Now the qualifier is Bha Dhatoho Shatranta Rupam. That is interesting. Bha Dhatoho Shatranta Rupam is what? Bha Deepto, second conjugation. Shatranta Rupam, Bha plus Shap plus Shatra. Shap will come, Shap will go away. Therefore, Bha plus At. Therefore, you will have Bhat only.
Bhat.
Therefore, Jagat is Napumsakalinga. Therefore, Bhat. Bhaskaraha Bhat Jagat Bhasayati. Make it like that. That'll be better. Bhaskaraha Bhat Jagat Bhasayati. Okay. Bhat, Ban, Banto, Bhantaha in Pullinga. In Strilinga, okay, interesting. Strilinga, what will be the form? We see our chart.
Bhati.
Dhatu is Ba Dhatu, Akaranta Dhatu. Therefore, what will happen? Akaranta Dhatu in Strilinga. Yat, Yati, Yanti. Two forms are there. It is like sixth conjugation. Therefore, here also we will have two forms. If it is Strilinga, Bhati is one form, Bhanti is another form. For the reasons, sixth conjugation, we know. Adanta Anga. So here also, Akara is there, therefore it will happen. That's why given Yato as one example here. Okay, so can therefore Bhati and Bhanti, two forms are there. Srilinga. Anyway, Napumsakalinga we don't have. You can say Bhaskaraha Jagat Bhasayati. Mata Gacchati. Okay, next one we'll do. Mata Gacchati Katha Katyate. Mata Katha Kat. Not Katham Katyate. Okay, Katyate is Karmani Prayoga. Therefore, you have to convert this here itself directly. I think similarly here also, I think. Anyway, it's okay. I've changed it. Doesn't matter. Okay. Therefore, here itself we have to change. Katha Katyate. Then Gacchantya Matra. Katha Katyate. You have to change like that. Karmani is there for Karmani. The Karmani converted into Kartari becomes
गच्छन्ति
Gachanti.
माता कथां कथयति
Yes.
कथति
Kathayati.
कथयति
Then Chandraha Udayate. Artaha Tasme Argyam Dadati. Okay. Chandraha Udayate. So now Artaha Tasmai Kasmai Artaha Udayate. Now we have problem here. We have to bring in Shanaj. Udayate. Udayate is Aidatu. So here I'll make it Udayati. Chandraha Udayate is there. Just for our convenience, I'll make it Udayati so that we can use Chandra. Udayate means Atmanepadi. Then we cannot Udayate Shanaja to use. Udayati, not Udati, Udayati. Chandraha rises. Udpurvaka Indatu. I'm using that. Udpurvaka Indatoho Rupam Eti. Eti. Itaha Yanti. Then Ud will become Udayati. Get. Just for the sake of sentence, I change it. Okay. Artaha. Udayati now we can do. Artaha. Chandraha is. Chaturthi will be Tasmai. Chandraya. So
Yes.
Chandraya Argyam Dadati. And Udayate is now qualifier. Udayati, not Udayati. Udayati will become Indatoho. Now Shatantarupam we have to find. What is the Shatantarupam of Ingatau Dhatu? Ingatau, second conjugation, Yeti Yataha Yanti. Form is Yeti Yataha Yanti. Therefore, Shatrantarupam will be, what is the form? Okay, I'll write here. Ud plus Indatu. Shap comes, Shap goes away. In plus Shatra. Ud plus in plus Shatra. In Akara is it letter. E plus Atha. Then what will happen? E plus Atha. Will it cause any Angakarya? No. Not possible. So Ud. Then E plus Atha is Yen Sandhi Yat. It just become Yat. Then Dakara. Then you have to do just a Sandhi. Don't forget that. Ud plus Yat. After that you get Udyat. Understand? So Udyata is the word. The form is Udyata. Therefore here Chandraya becomes Udyate.
उद्यते उद्यते
Udyan, Udyanta, Udyantaha, Udyantam, Udyantau, Udyataha.
उद्यतः
Sorry,
उद्यता
Udyata, Udyadbyam, Udyadbihi, Udyate. So this is important. The steps. Utpurvaka Indatoha Shatranta Rupam. With second conjugation, Shap comes and Shap goes away. That's a rule. Shap the Pravrittibhyaha Shapaha Luk Bhavati. One sutram is there. So therefore you get Udyata. Therefore Udyate Chandraya Artaha, distressed people, afflicted people. Chandraya Argyam Dadati. Okay. Interesting. Then what will be the Karmani Rupam of this? Try Karmani.
दीयते
Yes, good. That is first we have to say Diyate.
आर्तेण अर्घ्यं दीयते उद्यते
Yes.
चन्द्राय
Yes. Arthena Udyate Chandraya. Argyam only. Argyam is Prathama. Argyam. Argyam, Argyani, I think. Napumsakalinga it must be. I take it as Napumsakalinga. I'm not sure. It must be. I think so. If it is Pullinga, then Argyaha.
अर्घ्यः
So Napumsakalinga, I think. Therefore Diyate. Next one is simple. Gayika Geetam Gayati. Sa Sangeetam, okay, it's very, Sa Sangeetam Rochate is wrong, actually. It's not, what is the mistake
Kaya
there?
Sanketam Rochate.
Sorry?
No, it's wrong.
Tasye Sangeetam Rochate is correct. It's taking a copy from someone, that is why we have some problems here. Just for exercise purpose, I copied. Tasyai Sangeetam Rochate. The one who likes, that will go in Chaturthi, Sampradana. The Karta will be in Sampradana Karaka. Therefore, it's not Kartrikarakam. You have to take it as Sampradana Karakam. The one who likes is Karta, right? But it's not Karta, it's Sampradana. And Sangeetam, that's supposed to be Karma, the object of liking, but that is a Kartrikaraka. That is how Ruchdhatu, place that is important. That is the significance. Gayika Geetam Gayati, Tasye Sangeetam Rochate. Karmani would be more interesting. Huh? I think Karmani we did before also. Now, therefore, this is Tasye Gayika Geetam Gayati, Tasye Sangeetam Rochate. So, Geetam, Geetam, tell me what will be the form? Gayantyai, Gayikayai, make it like this. Make sense? Geetam Gayante Gayikayai,
Sanketam Ruchyate.
Rochate, not Ruchyate. I'm just doing Kartavya only. Why Ruchyate? Rochate. Sangeetam is 1-1. Pratama Vyakti Ekavachanam. It is just. It is a Karta. Sangeetam is, in fact, it is a subject. Sangeetam Rochate. But translation, when we do, we have to say that singer likes as a love for songs. As a love for Sangeeta. She likes Sangeeta, she likes music. That's the translation. But when you translate into Sanskritam, then Tasya Sangeetam Rochate. Geetam Gayante Gayikayai Sangeetam Rochate. So Gayika is Sampradana Karaka. Now Karmani would be Geetam Gayate, that will not change. Sangeetena just become 3-1. Therefore, Sangeetena Ruchyate. Geetam Gayante Gayikai Sangeetena Ruchyate. This would be the Karmani form. Okay. Very tricky, the sentence. This Ruchdhatu is like that. You need to understand Ruchdhatu properly. She likes music. Thus, that translation is Tasye Sangeetam Rochate. Not the Sa Sangeetam Rochate. That's wrong. That's what is there before. It's a mistake. Varam Dadati Devebhyaha Namaha. Simple one. Then Dadati, Varam Dadati. Dadati, which conjugation? Abhyasta. Therefore, third conjugation. Deva is Pullinga. Therefore, will Num come or not? No Num business. Dadatu, where is Num? Huh? Right? Will Num come? Dadatu. Because it has the Sanya, it has the Abhyasta. Right? Therefore, Abhyastasya Num na bhavati. Yes or no? Third conjugation and Savandhatu, so the second conjugation, no Num. Just we are doing Pullinga. So what is from Dadat Dadatau? Dadataha. Dadatam Dadatau? Dadataha. Dadata Dadatvyam Dadatbihi. Therefore, Dadate Dadatvyam Dadatbhyaha. Dadatbhyaha. Varam Dadatbhyaha Devebhyaha Namaha. That is a form. No Num there. Okay. We cannot do a karmani, not required also. Relayanam chalati, yatri apatat.
apatat.
Relayanam chalati, yatri, you have to bring, an apadana, okay?
Relayanat.
Relayanat, yes. So chalati becomes Relayanam apumsakalinga. Therefore,
Chalate.
Chalataha, not Chalate.
Chalatah rela. Chalatah.
Chalataha Relayanat Yatri Apatat. Karmani would be Yatri. Yatri, what linga? It's interesting. Yatra, from that we get Yatri. This Srilinga, Yatri. The Rikaranta Shabda, Yatri. The one who travels is Yatri, right? Yatri, I'm not sure whether it is just word is there or not. Akaranta Shabda is there. Yatri. Yatrika would be better, no? The word is. Yatrika is pilgrim. Pilgrim. Yatrika. Yatrin means Nakaranta Shabda. Yatri, Yatrino, Yatrinaha. Possible. Anyway, so if you take Nakaranta, then I'm just taking the Nakaranta Shabda.
Yatrina.
Then it becomes Yatrina. Yatrikaha would be better. No. Will nothing happen or not?
Yatrina. Murkanya.
Yes, Yatrina. Charataha, Renayanat, then Apatat becomes what?
Apatyata.
Apatyata. Right? Okay. Then Apatata is equal to, can say,
Patitavan.
Patitam also we can say. Patita. Patitaha also is fine. Patitavan also is correct because Dhatu is Akarmaka Dhatu. Both are fine. Apatyata is Yatrina. Yeah, Apatitam. Because Bhave Prayoga. Therefore, you have to use Napumsakalinga. Pratama Eka Vachanam Yatrina. Patitam Relayanat Patitam. Okay. Nadyah Pravaganti. Chatraha Bibheti. So Chatraha Apadana. That's the idea actually you have to bring in. So Nadyaha will become what? Vibhakti. Apadana Karaka, therefore Panchami.
Nadyat.
What is not Nadya, Nadyaha. Where is Nadyat? Nadi Shabda, Ikaranta Shabda.
Yeah.
Then therefore Pravahanti become Pravahantyaha. Chatraha Pravahantyaha Nadyaha Bibheti. Interesting. Karmani would be Bibheti will become Chatrena. Dhatu is B Dhatu. Dhatu, B Dhatu. B Dhatu, which is in which conjugation? Bibheti means third conjugation. Jugotyadhigana. Therefore, B plus Karmani would be
Vipyate.
not Bibhyate. B plus Yak plus Te. Dhatu is
Iyate.
Biyate only, not Bib.
Iyate.
In fact, the Dhatu is in Kartari itself, we have Bibhyati. Bhagavachanam. Bibheti, Bibitaha, Bibitaha, Bibhyati. Two forms are there in Vivachanam and Bibhyati is Bhagavachanam. So Biyate. Okay. Kridakaha Kridati Tasya Utsaham Vardayatu. So Tasya Kasya Kridakasya.
Kridakasya.
So you have to convert Kridakasya. This becomes
Kridaki.
Kridataha.
Kridataha.
Kridakasya Saham Vardayatu. Kartari. Karmani Vardayatu Lotlakara. Kridataha Kridatasya Utsaham. Utsaham we can take Utsaham.
Vartyata.
Vardyatham. Vardayatu, it is Vardadatu. Anyway, it is Atmanipadi takes causative. Vardyata. Balike nrityataha ke namani. Ke namani. Two girls are dancing. Ke namani. What are the names?
What are
Ke
the
namani.
names?
So it's a question.
Hmm.
Therefore, nrityant. What? Nrityantau. Nrityantau balike. Ke namani. That's it, simple. Ke namani nrityantau. Yeah, nrityanti, sorry. Yeah, nrityantau. Nrityantyau. Nrityantyau balike ke namani. Looks a little tricky, but not simple only. Saptagraha sancharanti. Teshu chandraha shigra gatikaha vartate. Now here would be Teshu Saptami. Therefore, you have to convert Sancharan becomes Sancharatsu. Graha becomes Graheshu. And Sapta becomes Saptasu. Saptasu Chantaratsu Graheshu Chandraha Shigra Gatikaha Vartate. Simple. Okay. What is why I added here? Sevika Satyam Japati Saha Naiva Vishwasati. You tell what is something I have written here. I don't know why I have written. Some reason may be there. Answer also is there. Saha Satyam Japantyam Sevikayam Naiva Vishwasati. Why Saha? Saha Naiva Vishwasati. Does he karma is Sevikam. Satyam Japantyam Sevikayam. Okay, anyway. Answers is there. Parishramam dash. Okay, we have to. Parishramam. Krudatoho. Not Krudavantaha. Janaha Krudatu. What will come? Kurvantaha. Avapnoti Lakshyam. Avapnuvanti. Okay. I want to complete this quickly. Today, I think how many are there? We'll do this. 300. Yes, we'll do it. Complete this quickly. Karmani, and we can try later. I'll just do it. So that we can start Shanach next class. So Janaha. Karmani, you do it. Janaha dash. Within bracket, Nritya is there. Mayuram. Mayura is Pullinga. Nrityan. Nrityanto. Nrityantaha. Nrityantam. Mayuram. Drishtva. Tushyanti. Then Taha dash Chatakana. Chataka Pullinga. Therefore, Pujantana. Pujatam. Pujatam Chatakana. Kujanta, Kujantaha. Kujantam, Kujataha only. No doubt. So therefore, Kujatam only. Marutam, Patatam, same. Then Devam Pujdatu. Pujayantam. Devam Pujayantaha. Pujayan or Pujayan, sorry. Pujayan Bhaktaha Moksham Labate. I might have read the answer quickly. Time not there. Labate. Then next one, Rashtra Gauravam Smrudatu. Rashtra Gauravam Smru. Tritiya qualifying Asmabihi.
स्मरति
Bharatbihi. Asmabihi. Anandaha Anubhuyate. Anubhuyate. Karmani Prayaha only already. Videsham. Videsham. Putram is the Gamdatu. Gachantam.
चन्तं पुत्रं
Vikshya should be Dirga, it's a typo. Mata Drisham Roditi. So it is Vikshya having seen the son going to foreign country. Phalam
खादते
Kadate. Vipraya Dugdam Dadhatu. Dugdam Dhiyata. Karmani would be. Okay, then Vidya Jwal.
ज्वलता
Yeah.
दीपेन ज्वलन
Vidya Jwalayati. Vidya, what does it Jwalayati? Jal Deepena Deepan Jayati. Vidya, okay. Jalata Deepena Deepan Jwalayati. That's how it is. Sentence is. Then dash Garj. Simhebhyah kahako ko na biveti. Garjat Pratipadikam. Therefore, Garjat Byaha, right? Garjat Byaha Simhebhyah Kopi na bibheti. Nobody is afraid. Yane. Ud plus Vam becomes Vam is to vomit.
उद्वमनात् उद्वमनतः उद्वमतः
Udvamataha. Vaman vamanto vamantaha. Udvamataha. Janat. Sarve duram tishtanti. Udvamana is vomiting. Gai. Dhatu. Gayakasya Geetam Anandam Janayati.
गायतः
Gayataha. Simple.
गायतः
Gayan, Gayanto, Gayantaha. Pullinga only. Therefore, Gayantaha. Anandam Janayati. Dhanam eva avilash jananam kaha bandhuhu. Dhanam eva jananam. Okay, now jananam, it's some typo. Jananam kaha bandhuhu. So dhanam eva, therefore avilash becomes avi lashatam. Vilashatam.
अशताम्
Dhanam eva avilashatam jananam kaha bandhuhu. Then satyam plus apurvaka shri. Satyam manavasya sada jaya bhavati.
श्रितः
Not ashritah. Shri dhatu. Ashrayan, ashrayanto, ashrayantaha. Becomes ashrayataha. Not ashritaha. Sada jayaha bhavati. That is the answer. Ashrayan, apurvaka. Then pra and vakh. Nadishu ganga pavitrama. Prava hantishu. I myself am telling you. Prava hantishu nadishu ganga pavitrama. Pavitratama. Tamaprutaya. Kavayah sabasagare. Then
तिष्ठत्
Sabagare, sorry. Sabagare, Shrotrushu
तिष्ठत्सु
Santushyanti. Tishtastu.
तिष्ठत्सु
Yes. Shrotrushu. सदैव मम मित्रम् असन्येव वदति. असत्, yeah, असत्, आरः, we can say असत्. मम मित्रं वदति. असत्येव वदति. असत् is qualifying मित्रम्.
मित्रम्.
Then सः बनगांशान् अङ्कयति, गोलयन्त्रं रचयति. बनः अंशान् अङ्कयति, he marks, गोलयन्त्रं रचयति.
अङ्कयन्.
सः गोलयन्त्रम् अंचयति. सेण्टेन्स् सः बनङ्ग सः, अङ्कयन् will be qualifying अङ्कयन्. सः बनगाङ्गशान् अङ्कयन् सः गोलयन्त्रं रचयति. Then next one. हिमांशुः प्रतिदिनं पञ्चाङ्गं पठति, सन्ध्याम् आचरति. हिमांशुः प्रतिदिनं
पठन्. हिमांशुः
प्रतिदिनं पञ्चाङ्गं पठन् हिमांशुः सन्ध्याम् आचरति. Put it before this. कर्मणि प्रयः, you please try as your homework. Will complete. वरदराजः लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीं लिखति, यशः लभते.
लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीं लिखन् वरदराजः.
Yes. लिखन् वरदराजः यशः लभते.
लभते.
लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीं लिखन् वरदराजः. Then अहं गतकालमानं गणयामि, अहर्गणं साधयामि.
गणयन् अहं.
गणयन् अहं गतकालमानं गणयन्
अहं
अहर्गणं गणयामि, अहर्गणं साधयामि. ग्रहाः राशिभोगं कुर्वन्ति, सूर्यं परितः भ्रमन्ति. सो ग्रहाः सूर्यं परितः भ्रमन्ति. राशिभोगं कुर्वन् कुर्वन्तौ कुर्वन्तः. राशिभोगं कुर्वन्तः ग्रहाः सूर्यं परितः भ्रमन्ति. मीनिंग इज आल्सो क्लियर. ब्रह्म प्रलये स्वयं सर्वान् संहरति, प्रलयान्ते पुनः सृष्टिम् उत्पादयति. ब्रह्म प्रलये स्वयं
सर्वान् संहरन् ब्रह्म.
ब्रह्म इज इट कर्ता. ब्रह्म प्रलये स्वयं संहरत, स्वयं सर्वान् संहरत ब्रह्म, प्रलयान्ते सृष्टि. ब्रह्म इज नपुंसकलिंग, therefore संहरत. Then नारदः ब्रह्मदेवम् उपसरति, ज्योतिषतत्त्वम् अधिगच्छति. ब्रह्मदेवम् उपसरन् नारदः ज्योतिषतत्त्वम् अधिगच्छति. Then I think last one. सूर्य मेषादिषु त्रिषु राशिषु सूर्यः not सूर्यं देवानां दिनस्य पूर्वभागं भुङ्क्ते. मेषादिषु संचरन् सूर्यः, देवानां दिनस्य पूर्वभागं भुङ्क्ते. That's it. He occupies. Bhunkte means eating, not eating. Devanam dinasya purva, first part of the deva, he consumes, occupies. Shatrantam samaptam shubham bhuyat. Om purnamadah purnamidham purnat purnamadachyate purnasya purnamadhaya purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. We will do Shanash from the next class.
Yes.
Okay. So I myself, we both are talking now. That's our in mute. Anyway,
Take time, Guruji. It's taking time for me.
you know how many class Shatranta is over? Hmm? This is
Yes,
more
Guruji.
50 classes, right? 50 classes must be, I think so. Let's see.
More than 50 probably.
No, nobody, I think, would have done 50 classes for Shatranta. By this time, it should be thorough with this. Anyway, you need to do some homework.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Fine, we'll stop here. We'll continue next class. Shanaj will do. Okay. धन्यवाद.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
धन्यवाद.